This is my second batch of 5 gallons of raw milk that I've processed, and I made all the things. A little bit different than the first time I made it, but let me show you what I've got. We have still some creamline milk, which means it's whole milk, it hasn't been skimmed, left for drinking. I did drink a quart and a little bit, so there's a little bit of milk left. I have some additional fresh cream that I didn't use that I can put in coffee. I made some sour cream, which I don't even like sour cream, but it's the best thing ever. I'll make some dips and things out of that. I have a big jar of buttermilk that I've used for culturing some aged cheeses, hard cheeses, and I save a little bit of starter for that for next time. Same with the yogurt, and have a little bit of a jar left of that, plus 2 individual servings to have for breakfast. I actually made 5 of these mozzarella balls by hand. I shared one yesterday. And cottage cheese. I have never in my life cared for cottage cheese at all, but I did not know that cottage cheese is simply miniature cheese curds in a buttermilk bath. And let me tell you, a mouthful of teeny tiny squeaky cheese curds is amazing. I absolutely love it. So I'm so glad I tried that this time. I also have some ricotta cheese that I made from leftover whey off of one of the cheeses I made. I think it was off the mozzarella cheese, and added a quart of milk to that just to give more volume. I'll use that in some lasagna for my dad's birthday this week. And some soft farmer's cheese that I put homegrown herb salt in. And this is the last thing, the pièce de résistance. It's a wheel of parmesan cheese that I have drying right now. It will have to be washed, and then I will start aging this for 2 to 6 months up to a year. Super excited about that. It smells like Parmesan cheese. It just is going to be amazing. It was a lot of work. I had to do this over 3 days, but I believe that it is worth it. Thanks to Homesteading Family for the masterclass in dairy, because this is how I've learned how to do all of it. I highly recommend you look that up and let Carolyn teach you how to do all of this. But I am super happy. I've also got some cheddar cheese aging in my cheese cave, and made a bunch of similar things the last time. This has been really fun. If you want to learn more backyard homesteading skills, click on the next video.